Join us on Tuesday, August 11th at 10 a.m. Eastern Time for a webcast auction for equipment from a metal stamping and CNC machining facility. Featuring Minster MS2250-8436 press, version 100B2-72 press, Mackay, Warco press. 3. Komatsu 200 and 150-ton gap frame presses. 6. Ida gap frame press, up to 150 tons, Little, Dallas, CMP cradles and straighteners. A 2017 Chevy Silverado 2500, only 40,000 miles, Mitsubishi FA20 SEDM, Johnford SV40 and SV48H machining centers, Johnford SL500C turning center, Ikoka MT415 turning center, Okamoto Grindex surface grinder, Blanchard No. 18 surface grinder, 6. Bliss, Danley, and Federal OBI presses, vibratory bowl, 2. Bridgeport Mills, Timesaver belt sander, Toyota and Lind forklifts, 2. Kaiser air compressors, Enerpac H-frame press, more. Intellectual property, including customer list, website, phone number and tooling is also available. For more information visit us at myronbowling.com. Register for the auction at bidspotter.com.